Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Four Seasons Haven Family Fun, Ski, Golf, and Boat. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Four Seasons Haven Family Fun, Ski, Golf, and Boat in Bellaire has accommodations with free Wi-Fi, 27 miles from Monument Golf Course, 3.7 miles from Bellaire and 3.9 miles from Antrim County Airport. The vacation home is fitted with 5 bedrooms, a TV and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a microwave, a washing machine, a fridge and an oven. Towels and bed linen are offered in this accommodation. North Arms is 4.6 miles from the vacation home, while Clam River is 8.9 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.